I'd like to invite you to join me now for a guided meditation. I'm Justin Epstein, and I invite you to find a comfortable place to sit, whether in a chair or on a couch. And let's sit upright so our energy can flow up. And we're going to begin to quiet the mind and open the heart so that we can experience our true nature as a spiritual being. So let's take a nice, long, cleansing, deep breath and just send the message to every muscle in the body: relax and let go. Relax and let go. And just move your awareness through the feet and the calves, the thighs, allowing your hands to be relaxed, your forearms, your biceps, your shoulders, all relaxing and letting go. Relaxing your back, relaxing your chest. Becoming aware of the muscles in your neck, the front and the back and the sides. Just send the message, relax and let go. Relax the muscles in your face, your cheeks, your eyes, your forehead, your ears, your nose, your lips, your tongue. From the top of your head to the bottoms of your feet. Letting go, letting go, letting go. Relaxing and letting go. And now scanning your body again to see, is there still any place that needs to let go? You might want to gently tense and relax that part of your body. You are a spiritual being having a human experience. And this is always true about you and me. What happens is our mind starts to think and think and think, and we can easily lose touch with that inner peace and joy. That's our true nature. And then our emotions become aroused, and next thing you know, we're caught in emotion. And we get whatever the emotional state is, we lose touch with the reality of who we are. And those thoughts and those feelings often triggered by external events. Something that happens or something that needs to happen. People's words, behaviors, things happening in the world. But we always have a choice. We always have a choice to take a moment to pause like we're doing right now. To relax our body, to begin to quiet our mind, and to tune into our spiritual essence. So let's begin to focus the mind even more by just using the tool of the breathing. Just watch your breath as it flows in and out. Just feel your breath moving in and out of your nasal passages. And when you start thinking about something, just bring your awareness back to watching your breathing. When you watch your breathing, you're not thinking, you're focusing, you're concentrating. It's a relaxed concentration. And that brings you into the present moment, which tunes you in to your spiritual essence. So just watch your breathing now for a few minutes. And now, letting go of watching the breathing, just be in the presence. Just open up to that which is within you. See if you can feel a sense of peace or joy, or just see whatever's present inside of you. You might see light, you might hear something. Just be. Just listening within your own being. And taking these few moments to be still and listen and be quiet, to tune into the alertness of our own being, to be present. We're in tune with that presence now. So allow that consciousness to unfold in your life throughout the rest of the day and evening. And we include our friends and family in this consciousness. We know for them that they are spiritual beings, that they have whatever they need. It's flowing in and through and as them. And we know this for all people everywhere. Every person is a spiritual being. If you'd like, let's rub the palms of the hands together. This magnetizes the hands. And we're just going to end this meditation by chanting the sound of Om 3 times. It means, it's Sanskrit, it also means Amen. And just feel the energy flowing through you. Om. Om. Peace. Amen. Thank you for joining me for this guided meditation, and I hope to see you again next time for another guided meditation. We'll see you then.